Hello guys! Black eyed peas and neck bone pork. Black eyed peas. I put some okra, onions, and garlic. Pork neck bone. Isa muna natin siya. Ayan muna siya. Garlic. Yung meat. See? It's a pork bone. For a couple minutes. Saan natin nag-brown na siya. Pork cubes. Fresh siya na beans, pero pinusin nila, guys. Asukal. 2 to 3 hours, guys. Papalambutin ko siya. Ito yung okra. Ito na siya, guys. See? Yan. Black eyed peas and neck bone pork. Guys, look. Ito yung paghiwa nila ng baboy. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my YouTube. Bye-bye.